Alright, what's up guys? Just wanted to do a dance comp unboxing. My New Year's resolution this year was to ride some more BMX this year. So, you know, no one's really seen any of my videos, but if you've been following me, I'm kind of rebuilding my bike and stuff. So, bought a bunch of stuff off Dance Comp, and let me just open it up. Got here really quick, ordered it on Christmas Eve. Here it is, December 30th. So, considering that the holidays happened when I ordered this, wasn't bad. It's a pretty heavy box. Last time I ever got anything off Dance Comp was probably like in 2002. Had my dad order some stuff from one of their catalogs that was in BMX Plus magazine. So, Dance Comp BMX calendar. It's pretty badass. Got a coupon. It's also badass. Receipt. I have to look at that later. So I was looking forward to. I want to see how these look on. These are the Shadow Conspiracy gypsy grips, black and gum, to match my black and gum tires. I got two Dance Comp heavy duty inner tubes because I always pop them. 3 plastic tire levers. I always use a screwdriver or my bare hands, and I always wreck the bead. So these were a plus. They're plastic, they're cheap. They'll save a lot of tires. Ugh. Got some stickers. Pretty badass. Now this is what I'm curious to find out. If any of you guys watch this video and know anything about BMX, I wanted to get 4 pegs so I could do some more flatland tricks, because I think with my unicycling that I did this past year, it'll help me out doing flatland stuff. When I bought these 4 pegs, they're the Fiction Troop PC plastic pegs. I believe these are metal, they just have a plastic sleeve on them. I was talking to a guy at a bike shop. He's young though. He might not even remember metal pegs. So let me open one up. Maybe at the end of the summer I can do a review. Came with a nice sticker. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Plastic sleeve with some aluminum inside. I kept my metal pegs. There's only 2 of them. But these should look pretty sharp on. Might put them on the bike. Oh, it looks like they're missing something. Oh, no, they're not. The Dance Comp standard toolkit came with a ratchet and socket set, so I could ratchet on my pegs with this nice extension before I was using a tire iron, which works really well. But I don't have, I think it's a 15 millimeter bolt on my front axle, so that'll work nice. So yeah, bunch of sockets. Ratchet. I don't see no extension in here. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh no, that's an Allen socket. Huh, maybe they don't have an extension. I thought it did. Well, bummer. Oh, whatever, this shit'll still work. I think I might have an extension somewhere. If not, I could pick one up. But yeah. So, all this awesome stuff. Shout out to Dance Comp. Can't wait. So stay tuned. I'll throw the pegs and the grips on. I'll probably do a video with that. But yeah, shout out to Dance Comp. Have a happy new year. Peace.